Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Today I will take you to a bookstore. Look, there's a cat. Hi cat. Oh wait, let me restart it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Febianka and today I'm in a bookstore in Karawang. The bookstore name is Gramedia Karawang. And today I'm here with a friend and a cup of coffee in my hand. You could see so many genres of books in here, from local to international, from the classic to the newest books of today. For example, here is one of the famous book in Indonesia, Seporsi Mie Ayam Sebelum Mati, and here we also have children books. You could also see Indonesian, one of the most famous book in Indonesia, Laut Bercerita, and we also have comics, non-fiction books, international books. This section here is classic books. You could see one of the most famous classic books, which is Peter Pan, Frankenstein, and maybe Sherlock Holmes and Little Women. Not only they have books in here, they also have toys from dolls. Oh, they also have cute keychains. Here they have Toothless from the movie How to Train Your Dragon, also Minions, and so many more. Here are the pens. We could try it on in here. We could pick any pen we want to try. For example, we could try this one in here. Let's just write my name. And it's really good, by the way. And there's also art supplies in here. We could see so many paints in so many colors, and also they varies from oil-based or acrylic or for watercoloring. Oh, they also have painting knives in here. They also have wood carving tools, one set, and they also have palettes. This place is just perfect if you are looking for books, for gifts, or even for just buying snacks, because they have it too in here. So yeah, that is pretty much all from me in this video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.